It's golden water.
Welcome back. Welcome to LWTA Night Vision. Man, we got a bad little storm about to come through here, a little winter storm, man. So we about to have to take these carrots, man. Y'all remember them carrots from earlier in the year? We about to go and take them, man. Now they told me, YouTube your friend, YouTube my friend. But they told me you supposed to kind of dig around. You gotta dig around them a little bit before you go pulling your carrots up. You gotta dig around them a little bit. So that's what we gonna do, man. It's LWTA Night Vision. Man, as y'all know, bro, this channel was created, man, to bring awareness in these dark areas in these prohibition states, man. Y'all know they burning cannabis on us like it's legal, because it is legal. So we around here playing with other kind of little plants in the meantime before I come out of retirement with that good cannabis plant. So all this other stuff, man, other than the eating, put food, vegetables in the house and stuff like that, is really just a hobby to kill time, man, because the only plant I really truly love is that one that got that magical flower. And as y'all know, man, I'm taking another break right now from toking. And you like, man, this is like the third break I done took since I created the channel. The third break I done took from toking since I created the channel. I never in a million years thought I was gonna create Codename LWTA, and every other month I'm hopping off the killer. You know what I'm saying? Hopping off the dank. But it is what it is, man. So one thing for sure, two things for certain, bro. If I didn't do this, they'll try to make it out like I'm just an addict or something that's just trying to legalize it so I can smoke and get high and, you know, all that there. But at the end of the day, man, it's legal in 24 states, bro. It's legal in 24 states. Legal in 24 out of 50. And you think I'm just gonna sit around and wait on an oppressive state to legalize it? Nah, man, we gonna bring some calls to action, man. All right, that's why they say take your time, because I broke a little piece. That probably was the best one. But man, we about to take these inside and wash them off. I say inside, I hate to take them inside, but disconnected the hose pipe because that freeze coming through, but I might reconnect it and spray these off and then cover it back, man. But I'll catch y'all in the house, man. This Codename LWTA Night Vision. And you know, we got the mullein right there, man. This the pineapple. They be telling y'all to take your pineapple from the store, keep the top, and you can grow your own. Now, I don't know how they were gonna make it through this cold, bro, but I ain't about to do too much to care for it. But you see, we got the mullein right here, man. They say the mullein clean your lungs out. Flush your lungs. Clean your lungs out from smoke and all that. So all tokers need to keep them a little mullein around. Keep them a little mullein plant around, man. But we about to take this to the house. We about to take this to the house, baby. All right, we done made it through the night vision. I went on here and sprayed them outside with the hose pipe, man. Feel like I already got frostbit. You know, Cajun boy, man, we can't handle no cold, bro. But as you see, they look a little deformed. But you know, if it's my first time, then it's gonna be your first time, bro. So you can learn from me. You can learn from me. And what you can learn is, when you buy these carrots and they come in that little flower pot, man, take each one and individually plant them. Like, separate each one of these and individually plant them and give them some space. Because obviously, you see, I ain't do that. I took them straight out that pot and put them in the ground. And that's how they grew. But you know what I'm saying? We got us some carrots, man. Codename LWTA, first batch of carrots, bro. We got it. All right, so I used our handy dandy Google and asked how you clean a carrot. And it told me get a vegetable brush and scrub. So So what I did was I went in the cabinet and I found this tongue scraper that was fresh in the pack. My wife must have bought it a few years back, but I just thought it was a little gimmick or whatever, so I never used it. But we found a way to use the tongue scraper, and we found a way to clean the carrots. Scrub the carrots clean with a vegetable brush. But what I did was use the tongue scraper. So bam, man. Y'all thought the water garden was over. You heard me? But we still pulling stuff, man, in January, man. We pulling stuff we planted last year. You know what I'm saying? But the more the story, the more, like, look. If we was to make a video, it'd be how not to plant carrots. This is what happens when you don't space your carrots out. When you let them grow in a bundle, they grow all deformed and stuff. But they taste like carrots. And y'all know how I do. I'm always act like my fruits and vegetables, the best fruits and vegetables you'd never tasted on the land. And man, I'm vouching for these carrots too, man. These carrots, man. I ain't never taste no carrot taste this good, bro. But we learned to space out our carrots today, and we learned how to clean them. And the ones that's got tore up by the bugs or split from the water or whatever, we just gonna eat around them. Like this one right here, we just cut it right there. When we bag it, we gonna cut it right there. And I'm gonna act like this an apple or something, and I'm gonna just get that knife and I'm gonna cut all the parts I don't like out, and we eating all the good parts. But man, it's code name. Holla at me. One.
It's cold and